news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where the State Investigation Agency is conducting raids in two districts of Jammu as part of an ongoing narco-terrorism investigation. Raids are underway at three locations in Poonch and Doda districts of Jammu, and the action is linked to an FIR at SIA Jammu involving terror outfits reportedly funding operations through cross-border drug trafficking networks. So SIA agent conducting raids in two districts of Jammu. Our colleague Gursimran is now joining us live from Jammu for more details. Gursimran, now raids are underway at three locations and we understand this is a part of an ongoing narco-terrorism case. Give us more details of what this case is all about and where are the right now raids going on?
See, if we first speak of the raids that are underway, the raids are being conducted at three locations in the twin districts of Jammu and Kashmir. The raids are underway in the Sojian area and the Mandi area of the Poonch district and also in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. The raids have started early this morning where the teams of the State Investigation Agency, which is Jammu and Kashmir's own investigation agency, the anti-terror investigation agency, that is carrying out the raids. The raids are in connection with a narco-terrorism case that was registered by the agency in 2022 that pertains that how close to the line of control area Pakistan is pushing narcotics into the Indian territory, and these narcotics are being sold by the Pakistan's agents in Jammu and Kashmir, and then the money that is being taken out as the sale of proceeds of the narcotics that is being used for the terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. This has primarily been done by the Lashkar-e-Toiba and Hizbul Mujahideen in Jammu and Kashmir through their old cadres that are active in Jammu and Kashmir, and now SIA is carrying out raids. We are told that the raids are being monitored by the Yugal Manhas, who happens to be the SSP of the State Investigation Agency, and the senior officials led by the deputy SP rank officers, they are present in the Poonch as well as in the Doda district to monitor these raids. These are at the suspected locations of the Pakistan-based handlers, contacts in Jammu and Kashmir that are helping them to carry forward this entire narcotics trade so that the money can be minted and then can be used for the terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. This is a part of a larger nexus that has been planned by the Pakistani intelligence agency ISI and then is being executed through Lashkar-e-Toiba and Hizbul Mujahideen, and to crack down on that, these raids are underway.
Thank you so much, Gursimran, for all those details.